Hytek's intelligent assembly line incorporates flexible manufacturing, inspection and error-proofing, and digital management. Hytek's intelligent assembly line comprehensively covers the entire product assembly process, enabling intelligent management from components to final assembly testing across all procedures including spindle assembly, housing assembly, rear cover installation, press fitting, inspection, and debris removal. Through digital management, Hytek enables visualized data presentation for integrated workstation functions including in-process inspection, assembly error-proofing, and critical workstation control. Quality specification procedures are stored in the database for on-demand retrieval, serving as the foundation for production assessment. Through data analysis and continuous improvement, Hytek has enabled peak efficiency in establishing a highly efficient and dependable assembly line. Upon completion of assembly, every Hytek product undergoes final acceptance testing as standard procedure before being hoisted off the production line. Conduct factory parameter test and adjustment detection on zero position, cutoff valve, relief valve, mechanical efficiency, volumetric efficiency, etc. Comprehensive quality verification ensures all product performance parameters meet final factory acceptance specifications, with full traceability of test data throughout the certification process.